Look at this building carefully. It can be best described as a shed, 2000 square feet or so. All one can see are a few blue barrels and pipes. This is the building in Kanjipuram district of Tamil Nadu, from where Ceres Pharmaceuticals operated. The company that manufactured the cough syrup cold reef, which has ended up killing 20 children from Madhya Pradesh. How did this company make the deadly concoction? How was it allowed to operate out of this shed for 14 years? The answers to these questions expose the giant loopholes in India's drug control system, where both the union and the state governments are failing. And the victims are mostly the poor people of this country. I am Shabir Ahmed and you're watching In Public Interest. When a kid falls sick, giving a child a cough syrup is normal for any Indian family. But ever since August, many children have died in Madhya Pradesh. 17 from Chhindwara district, 2 from Beetal and 1 from Panandhurna. The youngest among the children who died was Dhani Dheriya, who was just 18 months old. In Rajasthan, 3 children died and they had been given a cough syrup made by a local company, Kaisen Pharma. Madhya Pradesh first claimed cold reef was safe. Then an investigation by the Tamil Nadu Director of Drugs Control revealed that batch SR13 that was sent to 3 states, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Union Territory of Puducherry, was heavily adulterated. Sresen bought one of the ingredients of the cough syrup, a chemical called propylene glycol, from this company in Chennai's Parktown, Sunrise Biotech. Propylene glycol is normally used to thicken liquid medicines, but the propylene glycol supplied by Sunrise Biotech was adulterated using other chemicals, diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. Diethylene glycol is an industrial solvent. For example, it is used in brake fluids. Imagine if that goes into your body. Adulteration is rampant in India, like ghee is adulterated with vanaspati, but this is a deadly adulteration. Sresen Pharma, according to the law, is supposed to test every ingredient, but they did not. The second big lapse was that the drugs was not tested by Madhya Pradesh before it was released into the market. But the problem does not end there. A field inspection carried out by Tamil Nadu government's Drug Control Authority found not 1 or 2, but 364 critical and major violations at Sresen Pharmaceuticals. Let me read out a few. No infrastructure, facility, water system, qualified personnel, suitable equipment, approved procedures. No drains, gowns, pest control or cleaning procedures. Risk of contamination. Equipment not cleaned, no storage facility, no filtered air. The list just goes on. 364 critical and major faults, and yet this company was allowed to operate for years from this place. The Drugs and Cosmetics Act and rules says that inspectors must inspect all the establishments licensed for a sale of drugs within the area assigned to them at least once a year. From the condition that Sresen Pharma operates in, it is evident no inspection has been done in years. Cold reef is not only medicine that Sresen Pharma makes. This company has been around since 1990s. It was struck off as a company in 2017 and became a proprietorship. It makes 30 different medicines and sends it to different states. This includes many drugs for children, antibiotics, painkillers and diabetes medicines. Only those with propylene glycol have been recalled now. How does one trust the other medicines that were made here? Will they be recalled? That's the big question. Do write to us with your thoughts. And remember, the News Minute depends on its subscribers and well-wishers. So become a subscriber or contribute to our reporting fund. This would help us reporters bring you stories from the ground.